Price action is king. It really will help you with your trading success. Let's talk about that and more right now. Hi Forex traders, Andrew Mitchem here, the Forex Trading Coach video and podcast number 279, and I want to talk all about the power of price action trading and how it can really help you to become a profitable Forex trader. So there's a number of things that you need to understand. Price action is key, and it's understanding what part of the chart we're in right now. It's understanding a few technical based things, such as understanding a handful of useful candle shapes and patterns. It's also understanding what context of the chart we're in. Are we in areas buying into likely resistance? Are we in areas selling into likely support? Are we at areas we might find struggles to break through either higher or lower? What's happened prior to the price action that we're in right now? Are we in a big downtrend and maybe that's formed a support level? However, we could also have had a big downtrend and a pullback and then looking for the opportunity to go short again. So when it comes to candle patterns and shapes, there are a handful that I use and I teach in my coaching course. Now, you can go online and find all number of candle patterns and candle shapes, but I've found that realistically, there's only about 5 that are really useful. And it's not so much about looking at like the sort of overall pattern in terms of wedges and triangles. To me, it's more about the understanding the individual candle that is just closed. Because a practical way of trading is to assess what's happened once a candle has closed. Why is that practical? Well, a number of ways. If we have some previous indecision, and let's say we've had a downtrend and then some previous indecision, and then a potential reversal candle, that's telling me that already after our downtrend, we've seen some indecision in the market, and now we're getting confirmation that we might be seeing a pullback. It could be a complete reversal, it could just be a temporary pullback. But it's telling me by looking at just not only the candle that's just closed, but also the previous one and the previous trend, it's given me an idea of what's happened. But you can't just use that by itself. You have to use a number of other factors. You have to use the bigger picture trend. Maybe that bigger picture is we're already currently in a trend. So do I want to take that buy trade against the trend? Or do I just want to accept that we may now be seeing a retracement and then I'm going to wait for that selling opportunity to sell with the bigger trend? There's a number of factors that you need to add into this. So you need a confluence of events. You need to add more things than just purely the candle itself. What part of the chart is it in? What is the price that it's at? Has it stored and bounced at a level that may previously have bounced back in the past, whether that be a number of hours or days or weeks or months away? So it's all and that depends on what time frame chart you are trading. So the other benefit of looking at a candle at the close of its candle is that you know exactly when you need to be at your charts. You see, to me, there's nothing worse than talking to traders, and especially new traders, who just say, look, Andrew, I'm trading 6, 8, 10, 12 hours a day. And it's like, well, yes, when you're learning, it's good to get some time understanding what's happening, but you really don't want to be long-term trading. Like I've been trading 15 years. I can tell you there's nothing worse than sitting watching your charts all day long, because it's not enjoyable and it's not realistic. Yes, that to some extent it's good while you're learning, but long-term, that's not an enjoyable way of trading. So the beauty of trading at the close of a candle is I know exactly when that's going to happen. Let's say I'm looking at the close of a 4-hour candle. I know exactly when that 4-hour candle closes, so I know when I need to go and have a look at my charts. If I'm trading a daily chart, I know that the daily chart closes at 5 p.m. New York time, Eastern Standard Time. So I know when I need to go and look at the daily chart. And so things like that make trading not only less stressful, it makes it more enjoyable, it makes it more practical and a longer term prospect for you. So it also means that you have less emotions within your trading, because if you're sat there watching every pip move up and down, then realistically you're going to be more stressed about your trading. You're going to be more twitchy on your mouse key. On your mouse, you're going to be looking at entering more often or closing trades out, without the actual thought process of what's behind that trade. And therefore, you're likely to go away from your trading plan. So bringing all that back to one thing, it's all about price action and understanding technical analysis correctly, and that is what will make a massive difference to your trading. Look, it's as I've been trading myself for many, many years, and it's how I've been teaching thousands of clients and thousands of Forex traders just like yourself all around the world since 2009. If you'd like to jump on board and take advantage of this 5-star rated coaching course, I'm going to put a link below this video. If you're listening to the podcast, the best thing to do is have a look at my website, theforextradingcoach.com. So once again, this is Andrew Mitchem, owner and head trader at theforextradingcoach.com. Look forward to seeing you this time next week. Bye for now.